Recording.
Okay, good.
Turn around.
I know. I'm a pro at this, I know. Swirly S.
Snake.
Yep.
Snake.
Come here, little car. Such a pro at this. Easy.
Get out of the road, Brooklyn. Gonna spank you.
Whee! I'm going in circles. Okay, come here. Come on! Oh!
Dude, this has been like 43 seconds. 45 seconds. I'm like, dude.
Oh, look at the keys!
Dude, I paused it. I don't think so. No, I didn't. I'm on crack. Dude, we need to put... You're on drugs. What do you want? I have to record this. It's 1 minute long! And 16 seconds!
I'm gonna scare the hell out of that. Hold on, let me
Why the fuck are you gonna scare the heck? Why are you Ooh, that. Oh, don't do that! Look at die!
No, hold on, I'm scared.
You're being mean.
Meow. I want to just sort of see what it does.
He's like,
Aww.
get away from me, you stupid car.
You sugar. That's
Did you hear that?
See, a lot of cats don't really hear him.
Get out of the road, Brooklyn. I'm recording this now.
There, going on the sidewalk. I'm a crazy driver on the sidewalks.
Dude, can I stop this?
What am I doing?
Yeah.